We don't do things this way. We don't bring up documents that people have never seen before and expect them on the fly at the hearing to review them for the first time. If you've got something you want to produce to the parties, that you can produce it in advance. I mean, it could have been given to us a week ago. It could have been given to us yesterday. Instead, we're getting cases, we're getting regulations, we're getting memos, all of which have been in existence for some time. And we're being asked to then deal with those at this hearing. I've never been in a situation where it's done that way before. I object. I believe it's against the spirit of the rules that we have that require the pre-filing of testimony. And frankly, it violates the collegiality rule. And my brother and I think, have been very good in terms of collegiality, and I don't think that's going to change. But I do think it's inappropriate to, at the last minute, spring this stuff on people and expect them to intelligently respond. Whether or not this power plant gets licensed is a huge decision for the state of Rhode Island and for the people of Oroville that I represent. This is not the way we should be trying this.
Chairperson, CLF is deeply ambivalent about this for the following reason. Dr. Roberts was involved in those discussions and deliberations at the EC4. I would like him to be able to speak about those deliberations from his own personal, first-hand knowledge. That discussion is fair because he did testify about them in his rebuttal testimony. The quote from Dr. Roberts' rebuttal testimony that Mr. Blazer read is fair and accurate and correct. And it would be proper cross-examination for Mr. Blazer to ask about the quote. What did you mean? What is the basis of the quote? Why did you say that? Who disagreed with you? Instead, we get trial by ambush. We get new documents that are dated years ago that could have been provided. Invenergy's witnesses could have referred to them. They could have incorporated them as exhibits. Proper cross-examination is on the pre-filed testimony. Trial by ambush, we don't allow anymore.